First, you're going to need to unbend the sheet metal. Next, click on the Job button. And then select the Work Coordinate System and use the X and Y axis on the part. After this, find the origin and then select the model box point. Right-click on Part Operations, then click on New Operation. After this, you need to select 2D milling and use the 2D contour to cut a piece out. After this, you need to know what size hole the machine needs to cut out. In this case, we're using a 3 by 16 inch hole. After you've selected the right size hole, click on the heights icon and then select bottom. Right after you've done this, click on the model top button. When you've done this, specify the height of the cut, which is 0.14. Go to the passes icon and uncheck stock to leave. When you've done these steps, create another program and select the same tool as last time, while also doing the same heights as the last program. Go to the passes icon and uncheck stock to leave. After you've done the same heights and tools as the second program, click on linking and then go to ramping and then select plunge. And finally, click on the check mark. Select the simulation button and play it, and then you're done.